I'm a big believer of this saying. Give a man a fish and he'll eat for a day. Teach him to fish and he will never go hungry. After I started my hawker stall Beng Who Cooks, the pandemic hit. Business very jialat. But I knew I wasn't the only one struggling. There are other people worse off than me. So during lockdown, I gave out free meals, no question asked. I want to help others, not just by giving them food, but also giving them hope. That's how I started Beng Who Cares Foundation. Now that I have my own restaurant, I still wish to do more. To pass on useful life skills, teach people to cook, help them find jobs. I can use technology to do all that, to work with individuals and charities. To show others that today may be hard, but with a little help, tomorrow can be better.